Alright guys, I'm so excited to show you how you can scrape thousands of highly targeted business leads directly from Google Maps. So this particular tool I'm going to be exposing you to would help us scrape all the leads you're going to be finding on Google Maps automatically. So by the end of this video, you yourself would be able to start extracting leads and data for yourself. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright guys, so first things first, right now I'm going to open up the Lead Sniper Google Maps scraper, and you can see here is the updated Lead Sniper Google Maps scraper, and you can see how amazing this looks. Now this has some features that I'm also going to be sharing with you, but I need you to stick through. So the next thing we have to do is to have our keywords basically placed in a CSV file. Now I'm going to explain what I mean by keywords. If you look closely to my keywords, you realize I have my targeted niche, my targeted industry, also with a particular location. So this is where I want to get my targeted leads from. I want to have digital marketing agency in London. So I'm accurately telling this tool exactly what I want it to get from me. So quickly, I'm just going to copy all of this, and I want to tell you you should also have your keywords basically in this format. It will help you get the best result out of the Lead Sniper Google Maps scraper tool. So I'm going to come back right here to this tool, and right at this particular box here, I'm going to input my keyword, and you can see we have it already imputed. Then that's all you need to do. Then just click on start scraping. You can see it opens up the Google Map page, and here we go guys. You can see we have a lot of leads already being extracted for us. So this is how amazing it is when you use the Lead Sniper Google Maps scraper to extract leads directly from Google Maps. And now you can allow this keep rolling as long as you want to, but here is one feature I want to share with you very quick. Now guys, if you look at this particular place where we have the view data dashboard, so let's say you want to have a snippet, you want to see how your leads are being extracted for you. You want to click on this particular button, and you're going to be finding informations about the leads for you, and you can see how everything looks perfectly well with the updated version of the Lead Sniper Google Maps scraper. But that's not all. All right, we can also work with multiple browsers. So I know you get to see multiple leads already being extracted for you, but you can get much more for yourself. So I'm going to open up a second browser. All right, and right here on the second browser, I'm also going to go back to my data file. All right, and I'm going to copy this particular one here, and you can see the same industry guys, the same industry, but I'm trying to target a different location for this purpose. So I'm going to copy this right here. I'm going to open up my second browser, and of course the same thing, I'm going to input my keywords right in here. And while I do that, I'm just going to click on start scraping, and boom boom, you can see we have a second browser working for us. This is how you get to use the Lead Sniper Google Maps scraper to extract leads, extract data directly from Google Maps. And so you see two browsers already extracting leads for us. So I might just decide to allow this run for a while, and maybe when I'm satisfied with the result I've gotten, I can decide to stop it from running. So if you're wondering how you can get your hands on the Lead Sniper Google Maps scraper, I have the link for you down below for easy access. You click on the link, it's going to bring you right here to the official Lead Sniper Google Maps scraper page. So right here guys, you can see we are making use of the Google Maps scraper itself, and you see how much money you have to pay. Now you can see the total money you have to pay for this particular one is just $149, and I need you to understand every of the Lead Sniper plan you're finding right here is just a one-time fee. So let's say you pay $149 today, you don't have to worry about paying any money ever again. So even if they release a new update tomorrow, you also are going to be having yourself use it because you've paid already. And right here where we have the licenses, now this basically means the browser, the amount of browsers you want to use for your data extraction. So let's say you want to work with two browsers just like me, you can proceed with selecting two browsers, and you can see how much money you have to pay. You have to pay $224. I mean, this is way cheaper compared to how much leads you can be getting every single day using this particular software. So if you decide to pay for 3 licenses, all you need to do is to click on buy now. All right, and you have various methods of paying So you can see you can either pay with Stripe, you can pay with PayPal, and you can also pay with crypto. So that is that on the Lead Sniper Google Maps Scraper pricing plan. Alright guys, so coming back to our lead extraction, and you can see we have more leads already gotten for us. So I'm going to quickly go ahead in stopping this right now, and I'm also going to show you how to download your data directly into your computer. Very easy. So once you are done with the result you're finding, so once you're satisfied with the result, all you need to do is to come right here where it says results. You want to click on this particular one right now, and guys, you can see where it says export results. So click on export result, and right here you have 3 methods, all right, of downloading your result from the Lead Sniper Google Maps Scraper, either via CX view. You can see we have one here which is XLSX, and we also have one with the JSON format. So for me, I'm just going to work with CXV, much compatible with my device. So I'm going to click on CXV, all right, and guys, so you can see we have it already downloaded. So you can also repeat the same thing if you're making use of a second browser. So I'm going to open this one right now, and I'm going to show you guys what the result looks like. Alright, so we get to see how the data file looks like. We can see the first thing we have here basically is the keyword we imputed into the Lead Sniper Google Maps Scraper, and you can see the name of these businesses. We also have their full address, their street address, city, London, countries, London as well. Alright, so you can see we have the city here, we have the zip code, we have many other informations, but here is something I want to show you. Now guys, if you look closely guys, you're going to be finding we have the phone numbers, alright, available on these businesses on their websites, and you can see we also have their email address, which is so important if you're practicing cold email. And right here where we have their website, this is much important if you're also going to be finding much information about those businesses. You can directly click on any of this website, any of this link here, it takes you to their website, and you can find out more information about them. And let's say you want to hook them up on their socials. So right here is where we have their socials. We can see we have Facebook, we have LinkedIn, we have Twitter, we have Instagram, all right, and we also have YouTube. Amazing. So you can check them up on any of their socials, all thanks to the Lead Sniper Google Maps Scraper. So you don't have to manually get your leads directly from Google Maps. You can just use this particular tool to help you automate lead generation directly from Google Maps. So if you found this video helpful, like this video, subscribe. Let me know what you think about the Lead Sniper updated version in the comment section below, and I promise to make more videos like this. All right, bye.